You see this chat bubble right here? It follows me across my entire operations dashboard that I call MuddyOS. It has an ops module, a brain module, and a laboratory module, all with their own individual tabs and features that I can chat from each individual page without having to go and open up the OpenClaw gateway chat or my Telegram chat or my Discord chat. It has saved me a ton of time. It allows me to chat with my agents in line. And today I'm gonna show you how I built it and give you a master prompt to build your own. So without squirrel ado, let's build. Shout out to Muddy, my primary executive assistant. He helped me prep this video prop here. Now, here's the architecture. It's 3 layers, right? We're essentially creating this browser layer. We have these 2 features within our operations dashboard. Now, the WebSocket proxy, right? That's built into OpenClaw. You just have to configure it properly. And then, of course, your OpenClaw gateway, right? So 3 simple layers to get this working. Now, with this master prompt, what you're going to get is a floating chat bubble that's going to be persistent across every page. It's going to be resizable, and it's going to show an unread badge count should you have it closed and you're navigating around and your agent's working autonomously in the background for you, pinging you with certain updates. You're going to have a full chat page, inline markdown rendering, file attachments, an auto reconnect feature, as well as a shared session that you can specify. By default, it's going to pick your main agent session, whether it's your Telegram or your WhatsApp or your Discord, but you can alternatively create a completely separate agent chat session, or you can have it co-located with one of your existing channels. That's entirely up to you. All right, here's the 3 files that are gonna make it work in addition to the master prompt. So I want you to go ahead and screenshot each and every one of these. The first one is the chat bubble feature. The second one is your gateway proxy. And then the third is your ops chat. I call it ops chat. You might call yours mission control chat. Now, before we get into the master prompt, I want to give you 2 examples. All right, so first off, here's MuddyOS, right? Let's go to the ops dashboard. You're going to notice that no matter where I am in MuddyOS, whether it's the ops module, the brain module, the laboratory module, and then each individual tab itself, right? You're going to see this floating chat bubble down here. Let's actually go to this monthly view of our executive stand-ups. And let's say if I'm noticing something doesn't run, or I don't want to click on it individually to see, right? And let's say I want to go to the end of a stand-up and I want to approve certain line items. Well, I can pop open my chat here and get to work, right? I'm going to give you a real-time example here, but like, for example, not only is the button static, it's static across the entire OS except for the chat tab, because that's kind of redundant. It's pointless to be on the chat tab, right? But let's say we have it open, and let's say we're navigating throughout our operating system. Well, look, the chat stays open. I find this incredibly useful when I am going over the nightly builds. So let's go over the nightly builds really quickly. Ooh, I love this. This looks like it broke. Looks like MuddyOS did not do a self-improvement overnight. Let's see what happened, shall we? Hey, Muddy, I'm just looking over the nightly builds right now, and I see that you made a self-improvement to Clearmud OS. However, there's no self-improvement to MuddyOS. And when I'm looking back, March 25th, it was fine. The 24th, it was fine. The 23rd, it was fine. Let's see. Looks like it's been smooth sailing, but for some reason this morning, only Clearmud OS had a self-improvement, but nothing for MuddyOS. Can you please dig into this and let me know what you find? And if it was an issue with the cron, we need to figure out what caused that and fix it, please. Give me a recap of what you do to fix it, and then go ahead and force that cron for MuddyOS self-improvement this afternoon. Right? So as I discover things throughout my OS, I can then alternatively just keep navigating. Let's say I want to go edit an automation, right? And let's say we want to update the watchdog pattern or the chief workspace sync, or we want to go view skills. You get the picture. I don't have to tab over to another chat. It is so nifty. I love it. Now, this feature is not for everybody. Now, just to show you that the master prompt actually works, we're building something called Goat OS in a completely free bootcamp every Wednesday. We just had episode 4 this week. Now, you're going to notice here something similar. Look at this chat bubble down here. Right? I built out the exact same feature, and the way I pulled it off was I just asked MuddyOS to give me a master prompt. And you can find that if you want to see the raw footage of me building that chat module for Goat OS, go check out Wednesday's live stream. It's in a playlist on our YouTube channel, and I literally build it out. I vibe the process. We do a lot on this episode. It's a 3-hour live stream, but nevertheless, I show you that it actually works. I also use this a ton in my PM board. Like, let's say there's some stuff in the review column for me. I'll generally kind of zoom out. I'll review everything in the review column. Let's say there's something on hold that I want to push through. I will essentially chat with it. I have this pop-up feature that allows me to view any given task, right, with a markdown render. And this is where I chat with Muddy real time while looking at the PM board. This has been such a time saver from the tedious task of viewing the document or viewing the preview, the deliverable, whatever we're reviewing, right? And then having to tab over or open up Telegram on a whole nother window. It's really annoying. This is all now in line. It is such a time saver, and it's an awesome feature. So, all right, now moving on to the master prompt, what you came here for. This new website is under development. It should be live by Monday, the first week of April. However, in the meantime, what you can do is screenshot this page, feed it to your agent. In addition, give it the screenshots to these 3 layers that you also want to build with this feature. And yeah, listen, today was meant to be short and sweet. I wanted to show you this awesome chat feature I built within my operations dashboard, and I wanted to give you a master prompt to build your own. So I hope you found some value in today's video. And yeah, I'm not an AI expert. I'm building in public and sharing what actually works. If you'd like to see me make a particular video around a specific topic, drop a comment below. Let me know who you are, what you do, who your target audience is, and what your question is, and I will add a video to my queue, custom tailored just for you. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. My name is Marcelo. This is Clearmud, and clarity matters.